Yeah, because you were kind of blocking her.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna get right up here. Get these right in there like that.
Okay.
Now, does that feel like it's not on the cartilage?
I guess so.
I think it feels pretty good. Let's see.
Oh.
I know, it's tough. That is not an easy thing, guys.
Oh.
Come here. Okay, now you hold still and we'll take these off.
Okay.
And your
I'm
needle's
not
just
gonna
gonna
move.
sit there, okay?
Okay.
And I'm just gonna let you breathe. The reason I did the septum first is because when you get more piercings, they tend to be a little tougher, and this is a more tough one than you get anyways.
Wow.
What a rush. Okay, now I'm gonna slide the jewelry in, okay?
Okay.
Just gonna move that needle a little bit, and you're gonna have a little A and D ointment in there, but that helps everything
Yeah.
go in a little smoother. So.
That's fine. Oh.
Just hold still for
You're
her.
good. You stayed still.
Did a
Long
good
enough
job.
for me to get it in there, so you're cool.
Hoo, hoo, hoo.
There. Now you just breathe some more, and I'm